Hello friends, welcome back to Education Video Corner. In this video, I am sharing Python problem with solution. So before going to the video, please hit the subscribe button. So our problem is write a Python program to find the second largest element in a list. To find the second largest element in a list. So start with our Python code. So I am using code editor as VS Code Editor. I create one of the Python file. A Python file is second largest element .py. So I create one of the function. I have create the function. So I use the diff keyword and then our function name is second large. And then I pass the one argument that's like list L1. And then close it, enter. Before going to the method, I simply explain. So I create one of the list that's like list 1. So if we list enclosed by square bracket, I have mentioned different values 45 and then 23, 67, 89. So if I want second largest element, that's like 67. I want only 67. That's the second largest element. 89 is first one, 67 is second one. So list method is like sort method, sort method. First of all, I sort the list. After I give the index value. After I get the second index. Okay, guys. So I write the code simply list one dot sort. If I give the some name, variable name, just I print it. What I get here. I run it. Non-value. Why I got non-value? So I get non-type. I make so okay, guys. So first of all, we get non-type. So if you I give the index value at the time I get it, because we have non-values, there is no values. So at the time we get the error non-type. So this is our error. Okay, I have what on this? I remove this. What I do? Just command it. Just run it. Sorry guys, something. Print thing. I have made some problem. So that's not. So another print. Okay, guys, I find out. So I have sort the list one. So if you print this one, we get none type, none values. So I remove it. Okay, guys, that's I make mistake. So we get answer is see this. I in this place I have give this some randomly. I have give some random values, but in this I am using the sort function. It will give some orders. So 23, 45, increasing orders. So in this place, I want this one, 67. So what I do, I have just mentioned the index value. So minus 2. You know that index methods? First, if you give the positive index, 0 is 23, 45 index is 1. So if you give the negative index, 89 is minus 1, 67 is minus 2. So in this place, I have mentioned minus 2. See, this 67 is the second largest element in this list. This is the approach. So in this approach, I have applied inside the functions. So I remove the first function and then Just I copy this one is. Let's see. So I am changing this just argument name. I want to return is minus this one. Return list one. List one square bracket of -2. I want to in this space I am making. So here remove this and then in this name I place it and then replace it. So that's the reason. That's actually I was small confused, but you can use same names. Okay, guys. Written is okay. So I remove this one, this line. So in this place, copy and then list one. That's guys. Guys, first I am applying third function. I easily get the answer. I am not confused. But if applying the function, I am a little bit confused. If you are beginner, you can apply functions in small concepts. It is a better way to approaching handling functions in best way. Well, guys, I run it in this code. See this 67. Suppose given in this place I comma give 100. In this time we have got 89. That's the result. It is see this. So guys, this is the method. Guys, I hope in this video is helpful for you. If you like in this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you all. See you another best video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you all.